So what am I doing right now? I'm just testing things out. I so far this is all color pencil. That was pastel. I put down some of this first, and then I tried to erase some of it, and then I tried to use the orange as color pencil. Um, and I did not find those two to mix together very well at all. Um, soon as soon as the color pencil started to go over the chalky pastel, it just started to just look really muddy. And I mean, these two colors mud each other out anyway, but they don't want to blend, and they're like I was like constantly fighting each other. So I had this other idea. What if I tried to just render the ball to the level of rendering that I wanted, and then try to skim in some of the warm reflected light with the pastel, which I think will work. So yeah, it kind of works. It works because the two aren't really mixing together. I'm keeping them separate. You know, I rendered the everything with the color pencil first, and this I'm just using this to kind of just fill in the background. I'm not trying to intermix them. So I think this is one way of mixing together pastel and color pencil, is to keep them as separate as much as you can. And I think pastel works really well with like big areas, and color pencil works really well with really tight, areas, because it's like it's easy to, it's keeps a sharp point really well, and it's easy to kind of just go in there and noodle away and blend. But let me see if I can get a cast shadow on this guy. Um, Keep it a warm cast shadow. Um, so this is my experiment. That didn't work, so I kind of just figured out, what did I learn from this? And then I learned that they don't mix together well, and that I need to keep them separate. So that's what I did over here. So this is the kind of stuff you should be doing in your sketchbook all the time. It's like if you have a question about how something works, you really learn by experiment. Like I learned this like 5 minutes ago. I did not know. I've never really tried to mix the two together. I just knew from instinct that a waxy substance and a chalky substance are not gonna like interblend together. So my instincts told me something like this would work, and so I tested it. I mixed them together. Didn't work. I devised a game plan where I kept them separate. That sort of works. And I imagine, let's say I wanted to add something else in here, like I don't know. Let's say I want to put like another shape in the background here, like say like a triangle shape. It'd probably be best to erase it out if I'm going to do it in color pencil. So the two don't intermix. So what color should I make this one? Should I keep it green? Go for a different color? Just keep it green. It's gonna be, how about like a triangle like this. And I'll leave the white spot there to kind of get some of that reflected light in there. Give it a little cast shadow. I wonder if I could do the cast shadow with color pencil, like an orange color pencil. Well, let's see. Oh, my finger's all dirty. They don't want to mix together well, but what if it's the same color? Yeah, kinda. So, I think you guys in general should just be comfortable experimenting more in your sketchbook.